And sila Tito Noli, sila yung mga nandun sa forefront, debating and arguing. And I said, wow, galing nito mga tao to, no? Mga bugadong de Campanilla, talagang hindi mo tatalunin sa ano. Tapos, they brought us, sabi, di ba, we'll leave the hotel, we'll join the rally outside. Sila rin nag-lead sama. So, kaya kami. I was really impressed. Pero, through the years, I learned about the expertise, the wisdom of Tito Noli in terms of human resources and particularly in labor relations. And I've heard also a lot of people coming to him to seek advice, to consult with him, companies talaga nagdandarapat to get his services. I'll tell you something, 40 years ko rin magkakilala ni Tito Noli, I never consulted him on HR and labor relations. Never. Hindi dahil hindi ako believe sa kanya. Kaya lang, what I found out about the man was there was a lot more to learn about him than the technicalities, the laws, the different things to learn about labor relations. What I learned about the man is the character. And that's something that he built up also on me. When I became president, one of the things he told me was give emphasis to relationship. Lahat tayo magaling na sabi. Lahat tayo magaling na. And coming from him, parang, hindi naman. Di ba? Hindi naman ikaw lang.